Rental property owners, are you looking for a way to build wealth, diversify your portfolio, or even increase cash flow? I'm Reese, the tax pro near you, and I want to tell you how you can sell your rental property, reinvest, and pay no tax on the sale. Let's talk about the 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange, also known as a like-kind exchange, is a provision in the tax code that allows rental property owners to sell their property, defer paying tax on any of the gain, so long as the proceeds are reinvested in a similar or like-kind rental property. This strategy can allow rental property owners to acquire potentially more valuable properties. This can dramatically increase both cash flow and the overall value of their portfolio. So how do you do it, and how do you keep it tax-free? With the traditional exchange, when you're ready to sell your property, the first step is to find a qualified intermediary. To meet IRS rules, you'll need this middleman or middlewoman to hold the proceeds from the sale. Those funds will then be held and used to purchase your replacement property. Next, within 45 days of the sale, you'll need to identify in writing the replacement property or properties to the intermediary. That's right, you're allowed to identify more than one replacement property. Then, within 180 days of the sale, you'll need to close on the new property or properties. If you don't use all the proceeds from the sale, or if you take on less debt than you had with the original property, the exchange will still qualify, but it might not be 100% tax deferred. You'll owe tax on the difference, which is also known as BOOT. There's no limit to the amount of 1031 exchanges you can do, and you can keep deferring tax on the gain indefinitely. But if you ever decide to get out of the rental game entirely, that deferred tax will likely come due. 1031 exchanges are one of the most powerful tools rental property owners have to build long-term tax-deferred wealth. But they only work if you follow the rules. So before you sell, talk to a tax pro and make every move count.